that tornado tore through this neighborhood just outside of Houston, just ahead of the holiday, and you can see some of the damage here. You have these massive trees that have come down on people's cars, people's homes, fences, just up and down the street here in this neighborhood. There are piles of debris just about everywhere, and we have spoken to people who were inside of their homes, inside of businesses when this tornado came through, and one of the things everyone has described to us is just the pressure, that they felt like their ears were going to burst and that they were just holding on to whatever they could find. One man saying he was holding on to the toilet in his bathroom, another person describing holding on to a table inside of a room as they just waited for this to pass overhead. And just as quickly as it came in, it was gone. And folks came out to see all of this devastation around them. And so right now it is the focus on cleanup ahead of the holiday. We know that some 100 homes were damaged in all of this, but I will show you the one bit of good news that we're seeing here this morning. Those bucket trucks that are out, and crews telling us that they have been out through the night trying to get power restored here for folks ahead of Thanksgiving.